Well guys, on the off chance, on our way back through, we found something else to explore, an abandoned garden centre. So it's pretty cool. A lot of stuff left behind. I don't know why it's been left behind. Surely this stuff would have been taken. Some of it's new. But anyhow, let's go and have a look. Wow. So this is what remains of the inside of a garden centre when it's just been trashed or left. They have even got keys to buildings. That's been padlocked up, so there's obviously some bits and pieces in there. But it's a pretty cool find, guys. Jesus, what a mess. This place is overrun with tat, old heaters, books, bits and pieces lying around everywhere. Tidy up before you leave. Well, we don't intend making a mess, so that shouldn't be a problem. Got an old till down there. There's a lot of old stuff just piled up and left around everywhere. Look at the state of it. See, a lot of this comes under the old data protected. Shouldn't have left stuff like this, even if they did go skint. As I said, our point of view is not to take anything. Look at that, the old eye wash station still there. Pots and bits and pieces. Look, even an old safety tin. Light bulbs, some of their old wheel locking nuts. What a shame. I feel for the owners in a way, but then again, I have heard that this place, they tried to sell it on as basically demolish the whole site itself and have, I think it was 9 dwellings, 1 4-roomed house, 4-bedroom house, 7 3-bedroom houses and 1 2-bedroom houses. How many millions that would have got for that, I don't know. So the interest of those who say they own it, for whatever reasons, you kind of take with a pinch of salt. All sorts of old junk. And as I say old junk, to someone like ourselves is just like stuff collecting dust. I mean, they're brand new. Them boards over there, and they're still cellophane wrapped, so someone can make use of them. Old TV screen there, or monitor. Wow. Big old fork. And this is your typical old garden centre. That old chair's pretty cool. Look at that. If that was working properly, that'd be worth a few bob as well. Kiddies' activity toys, whether they've just been placed and dumped here or whether they're actually for sale, I don't know. That would have been an original way in that people would have made. Cut their way through the back. Not strong stuff, obviously. Would have had coffee on site, so there must have been a cafeteria here at some point. I'd imagine typical little cafe area. But it's quite cool back in the day. Ear protectors, maps. Old bird box. Loads of your wood staining. So Cameron's gone and found himself a safe. Jesus, that was heavy duty. So this must have been the office area. Till rolls. Again, I bet there's receipts with people's private data on them lying around everywhere. That's the old crimping machine. Used them before. It heats up, you put a bag in it, seal it down. Sony cassette player.
The house abandoned?
Possibly. Be careful, but have a look. Look at that, we've even got a toilet in here. Usually you'd expect to find them smashed to pieces, and it's not. Paul's gone off adventuring into a dilapidated old greenhouse. But I can see from here it's absolutely rammed full of brambles, like the outside here, so I certainly will not bother. The place is just strewn with rubbish, but there is something significant down here that people had mentioned in this old collapsing barn, and that is this very old car. It's an old Austin. I've seen better days. It's still got the engine in it. Look how tiny they are, or were. Reminds me of the old Fiat 126, that sort of size. Sorry guys, I'm not up to whatever this was. Someone out there, I'm definitely sure, will know. It's probably worth a small fortune if you got it up and running. It's probably just sat there and not had the TLC it needs just to keep it going. Old dials, old tyres, wheels, rims, skirtings, old seats, and these are original as well. An old, is that like one of them old touring things that goes up? It's not like quite, it's a cross between a tent and a caravan that you tow along. Whether it was for this or not, I do not know. But that is super cool. And it even opens up, guys. Look at that. It's not quite got the new smell with it. And look at that ready salty crisps. What era are they from? Old dial. Beautiful bit of old kit. Even an old push bike. Buried them into the rubble. Wow, that's so sad. They all got left behind. I guess nature finds a way. Natural watering via the rain, etc. You can see some little shoots on some of the guys. A couple of old Maxis over here in the corner, slowly rotting away, and what looks like an MG. Whether this has got anything to do with the garden centre or it's just someone's dumped them here. They are seriously ugly. Look at that, even got the keys left in them still. surprised at what gets left behind. Has it got an engine? Yep, it's got an engine. Look at them, a pair of them, rotten as a pear. And now we find ourselves in yet another old barn. This place has been like a little Aladdin's cave. That, look, even toolboxes and chests left behind. Time certainly waits for no man. Anyway guys, that's going to do it from another fun explore. It's just been one of them add-ons. We didn't expect it. We just come across it and thought, you know what, let's chance it and why not. And it's been a little treasure trove for sure. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the movies. Bye for now.